I typically get in these plays where I want to just catch the trend and do nothing else, but there's a lot in the middle that you can do.
Yeah. Okay. 3 minute, 3 bar forming. So team, I went long at that 850 mark, up 30 points. I'm potentially going to add to this position because it's showing 3 bar breakout, which just seems silly.
Mm-hmm.
But the overhead range is
Are you looking at the 3 minute?
yeah.
Yeah, I see that too. I'm gonna try to get in around 70, guys. Get a little pullback into this. You know what I'm gonna draw already, guys. It's already coming. Want to try to get in on this. If we break out above 890, I'll move my entry up a little bit. But this is starting to look like a nice buy side model.
Yeah, I went and sized up too.
Did you just mark it in?
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably should have done that. That was a good setup. And typically, when we both say the same thing, it tends to work out.
You know, Steve, that meme scares me for some reason.
It's creepy as hell.
Every time I see that one, I'm like, good lord. You can see his little small patch.
How's everybody doing out there? Everybody taking some trades, making some money, getting funded? Saw a few people mention they got their buffer or past phase two. I love to see that. I want to see
What
all you guys
other
get into
place?
brokerage.
Like, what other place is a damn owner trading profitable trades for the members? Like, insanity.
Nowhere I know.
Insanity.
All the other owners of prop firms are just talking shit to people on Twitter.
Yeah. Damn, Leo Mess, what happened, brother? What happened?
Yeah, what happened, man? Or I'm not gonna assume your gender. What happened? Price action at all
We're
time highs
here.
is very tough, guys. It's very tough, which makes what Mike's doing even more more cool to watch. It's impressive.
We're here to help you with whatever you need as well, so we can talk through it if need be.
Yeah, more than happy to
When you,
go over trades or go over anything you want. Oh, yeah,
yeah,
you got
I
wicked.
would,
Yeah.
I would say, and Buck is kind of calling it out. Like if a wick took you out, it's most likely a sizing issue, not a pricing issue.
Yeah, it really depends on what account size you have, what buffer you have, all that kind of thing. Says every account has different drawdown. So, you can't size a 300K account the way you size a 25K account. It just won't work. So if you want to trade minis, you have to get an account size that will let you trade minis without, blowing an account on, um, a flash wick or something like that. Yeah, a lot of people say the market's rigged. I mean, I can't argue that it's not rigged. You just gotta play with the big boys, play the system. All right, we got top 10 team. See if we can push back 90. That's our level to break.
The market's not rigged. The market is fair and equitable. If you ask somebody who's winning, the market is always fair, and it is. The inequitable part is in your mind. As crazy as that sounds, it's equal opportunity every single day that we come into this market, regardless of what you think we should do. Market does not care what you think
Not at all.
at all. Cannot express. And then what happens from the retail perspective is we want all of these things from the market. We want it now, right? Some people need the money for bills, the pressure the market actually likes to pry on those needs from retail environments, right? So if you put yourself in that scenario, you need it now. This last trade is all you got, so on and so on. Whether that be you're close to drawdown, or like you got to pay the bills, or you are $2,000 for being green on an account that's been red for years, whatever. The market does not care. Does not care about our personal wants or needs at all. So you have to go in with that lens every single day, and you bridge that with risk management. That's the only way.
Steve, I was kind of hinting at that too. It's not rigged. It's a controlled game. You just have to learn how to play it.
Yeah.
That's like I feel the exact same way. All right, guys, we're up almost 10 points. There's 10 points right there. So quick $100 with light sizing in about a minute. If you took that, I want to see if we can break above this 90 level and really start to get paid. But TP1 pretty much hit. Quick money, fast money. Up to when I look for a TP1 and what we need to pass, it's just the recent candle bodies, and that has been completed. So anything extra is just free money, guys. So feel free to do whatever you want.
Great play. Great play, brother.
Thank you, sir. I want to see if we can get past this 90 though. I want to see if we can catch the next wave. Yes, sir, RQ. If you guys are sleeping on the smiley face, you need to just keep an eye out for it. It usually plays out. People think I'm crazy, but it works. Okay, there's
I
200.
mean, think about what it is. It's a seller rejection
Yep.
into buyer confirmation.
That's all it is, guys. It's just buyers reclaiming.
Yeah, you reclaim that base, two-legged move to the upside, continuation over consolidation. It's beautiful.
All right, guys. There's mission complete, as Breezy would say. Anything else is just being a little bit greedy. Quick 20 points. 20 points. Like I said, 20, 30 points, guys, pays the bills. A couple of those plays a day, you don't need a job. Now let's see if Bulls can actually reclaim that level.
And Mike, you are absolutely correct. You cannot take it personal. And that's one thing I mentioned in a lot of my meetings. You enter a trade and it immediately goes against you, and you're like, bro, is this shit monitoring just me?
Right?
It feels like that at times, right?
Feels like it.
When you're incorrect, it's absolutely not targeting our prop firm. Like
No, they're not looking at your simulated entries, guys. I'll tell you that. Yeah, Bach, our orders are not real. This is a lot of this is simulated money. It's just paper trading. Now you get to brokerage, they're real, but no, they're not looking at your orders.
even still, like our orders aren't big enough.
Yeah, they're not gonna do anything.
That's the thing as well. Like the retail, we're too sporadic. Unless you're Steve.
Yep. Not going anywhere unless we close above the initial bounce. I mean, yeah. Agreed. We just need to get back over. We need to get over 890 for me to feel really good about this play. But it's looking like a good setup, guys.
We're right at that hourly fib, 880 range. So above that, you assume we head to 900. This is probably going to be slow.
Mm-hmm. But guys, we hit our main target, so already a good session so far. Yeah, I would love that just a 900 push basically. I'll just round it up.
Vodka, but here's my not counter argument, but here's my take on that. Because obviously they have visibility. This is what I always talk about when you think about trending moves, right? I don't want to be at the bottom. I don't want to be at the top. I want to be in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
And our objective, as crazy as it is to not catch these big moves. It's to have strategic entries, strategic exits, and get our money and get out. Because more exposure in the market is proven not to equal more success. Um, so for me, if I see, and I'll give an example, like this morning it broke 780 and reclaimed it, right? Well, the bounce 712. I'm not interested in that bounce. I'm interested in that confirmation. And, as crazy as it is, you look at targets, say, from 782 to 815, 40-point range, basically. That's a retail trade.
Mm-hmm.
And then you get the parabolic institutional breakout for if you have runners, let your runners run. Let your winners win more, right? But to me, that's more of like how we should be like. I don't want the head and tail of the fish, which you guys will get tired of hearing it. I just want the meat in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
If I can get that meat in the middle, limit my exposure, I'm good. I'm gonna be successful long term.
I'm with you. I want big money to confirm the move. I'll hop in after, and then I'll ride the wave with them. That's all we need to do, guys.
Now, reality, there is a lot of nonsense in this game, and as Steve mentioned, it is a game, and we just have to learn to play it.
Mm-hmm.
And every player's experience is going to be unique. It's going to be different.
So, guys, you see how we ran up to 890, couldn't break it? Coming right back down to the breakout level now. I wanted to break 890, go break even, but we didn't quite get it. So now we want us to see if bulls can hold, or if this is going to turn into a sell side kind of model.
I'm glad we pulled back here. I'm gonna add between the 863 and the 844.
Yep, looking like this one's going to go back to our breakout level. All right, we are out of that play. Now, if we lose this 850 area, guys, I'm going to really be looking to this zone for at least a quick bounce, maybe a reclaim. But I have a feeling we might dip a little bit. You can see a clear support around 850.
Yeah, I'm being a little stubborn here and just adding into longs.
If bulls cannot reclaim this 865-ish level, I think we keep sliding. It's going to be a big test. But this is the big buy zone I'm looking at. Literally 800 to 820, this zone. So probably somewhere right in the middle.
Well, it is breaking that golden pocket.
Yep, those longs are probably toast. I think I might hop in some longs on a or some shorts on a push, ride it back down. Creating a massive wick on the 4 hours. Still 2 hours to go though. We got the lunch hour starting in 10 minutes, guys. Keep that in mind.
And this is right at QQQ VWAP again. So I'm going to remain bullish above that for sure. And that mark would be 698.5 on Qs. Which, I mean, this looks bearish. Potential structure break.
Mm-hmm.
It's just hard for me to fully buy into it.
Oh, agreed. I'm at the point where I don't even want to play the shorts. I just want to wait for the dip down to buy.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking I'm gonna hop in. I'm gonna try a short around 50, guys. See if we can ride it down for about 20 points. If we push through with volume, I'll just cut pretty damn quickly.
For me, as long as we're above 844, which we're trying to reclaim,
Mm-hmm.
it's really, yeah, it's about 844.
Yeah, I
So
think
I'm just gonna
under
hold my
840 it could start getting messy. And this it's always difficult, guys. After this huge volume push out in the morning, this next hour or two is always going to be a little difficult. It's gonna dance around equilibrium or that golden pocket that he's talking about, and you're gonna get some sporadic movement. Oh, okay. There's 820 real quick. Gonna get filled on those shorts.
it rejected it. It went up and
Yep.
made a break and retest of it.
Yeah. Fortunately, did not get picked up on that. So let's see if bulls are gonna hold here.
I gotta turn that down. Can you hear that whenever the trading view sounds are doing it?
I haven't noticed. I haven't been paying attention though.
It's so loud.
I had to turn my sounds off. They were bugging me. I wish TradingView would just have order filled.
Yeah.
What's up, Sophia? How you doing? Everybody who's sticking around, thanks for hanging out with us. I'm gonna try to navigate this lunch hour. So there was kind of your bear target. We mentioned the 800 820 level. Look for a bounce. Quick little 10-point bounce. Bulls need to reclaim, I'd say 850 to feel safe. So if you took the 820 bounce, you're good.
That's where my entry is at 850.
Yeah, so I figured.
I'm trying to get around just a little wider, and I would like 816. I'll look to cut under 816. Good morning, Sophie. Hope all is well.
And if it's your guys' first time joining us here, welcome in. We do this every day, all day, every day, basically. There's pretty much from 9 a.m. to about 10 p.m. There's always somebody on here. So whenever you got time, come pop in and say hello. Oh, and guys, if you're looking for something to do this weekend, there's a prop firm convention going on. It's actually virtual that you can attend. Let me grab the link for you. But we are sponsoring them. One of the sponsors. And all you got to do is just sign up. There's gonna be a lot of influencers, things like that going on, giveaways. Should be a fun time. It's just all about the prop firm world. A lot of big names in the prop firm world are speaking or um, featured in some sort. We are doing a giveaway in the convention. All right, tapped in. Quick $50 immediately. Bears really have momentum going on right now, though. They really do. This will be a quick cut if we break 800. I'd like to get back over 820, guys. All right, there's your $100 in about 10 seconds again. You're short from 879. All right, okay, Tiffany, I see you. I see you. All right, run up to 820 and rejected. Not good for the Bulls, guys. Not good. We need a strong push out. Typically, if your TP1 gets rejected like that, it's better to take the cash. Nope. Now we are below entry. I have a feeling this is going to run to 800 pretty quickly. could see the 780 area, absolutely. VWAPs right there. We have some structure. Very strong bear 15-minute candle on this one so far. Very strong. Now, guys, if you're in the bull side with me, 820's got to go, or else it's going to continue downwards. No ifs, ands, or buts. If you guys are in shorts, it looks like some of you are. I hope you get the target. This is just a major pivot zone where we could bounce. And we got our initial reaction for 10, 10 plus points. Rejected pretty much perfectly. And now we're going to continue to 800. There's 800 quickly.
I do agree, Chubbs. It breaking down 816 was pretty pivotal. And then it just slammed QQQ VWAP. Currently, 15-minute bar closes. That is a big structure break.
Massive, yeah, absolutely. We got 2 minutes left until the hourly change as well. All right, there's VWAP, guys. Last chance for bulls. This looks like this looks very bearish now though, guys.
Yeah, you gotta wonder like, damn, is there news? It's like, no, this is just a normal pullback in the wide range.
I think I'm gonna have to flip my bias now down to about 700 ish. Yeah, there was news that came out.
Of course.
I guess Trump said that there was a lot of uranium removed. Iran said absolutely not. We still have it all.
Reminds me of like high school drama, reading all.
Right. Trump about to go live from the Oval Office. Okay. I think I'm gonna hop in some shorts, guys.
If this even make it a day without them doing, you can see oil, man. Oil is going on. It's ripping now.
Is it? Where are we?
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Wow. All right, guys. Well, we are already up $100. Man, if I just took these little scalps today, I'd be up $500-600 already. Let's see if we can ride this all the way down, though. There's that 780, Tiffany. Good job. Trump said yes nukes. Iran said no nukes. Yeah, right. Source, trust me, bro. At this point, I'd love to see 750 and more.
Killer flip, man.
There we go. Love it, guys. Love it.
That hurts. I had some 698 puts open.
Oof. So, guys, 5 micros, $300 in a minute, and you could be done working. That's. I love trading, guys.
Yeah, no. You nailed that. I tapped out. I took my L on 16.
Yeah, I mean, you got to know when to take the loss, and we broke VWAP, we broke my 800 level. It just made sense, at least short term. I'm not saying we're gonna be bearish all day, but we were expecting some kind of reaction. Now, is it gonna hold? That's the question. Or is this gonna be just a disgusting wick that gets bought up? And it very well might be, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Oh, we are back in the opening range. That's a good point. Yep.
Which is good. It's a good place to be. We have not seen any full retest, so got to navigate it cautiously because this is some selling pressure. But It's the first like retest we've had in feels like
A
weeks.
while, yeah. Is this 4 hour candle going to be red? Ooh, we might get our first red 4 hour candle of the week, I think.
Yeah, even the hourly currently that flip flops so
Yeah, it
aggressively.
did.
And
Right at the close, too.
yeah, under prior 2 hour bars. Really, that golden pocket when it broke the 840 mark did it quickly, like super quickly.
All right, here's that 750 target, guys. So, successful play. That was our major target. Now we just want, and look at that bounce. Now we just want to see if they can actually break 750.
Yeah, you killed it, bro.
Thank you, sir. And guys, these key levels we call out are profit taking zones. So that's up. It's up to you guys as a trader if you want to take profit or let it go, let it potentially go back to break even. Yeah, Chubbs, I agree. I was looking for 750, 720, then ultimately 700 and more if it's gonna work out. We'll see.
Yeah, I flipped over. I went long. Options at this low, so we'll see. We'll see if I'm being mega stubborn. But good retest, my opinion at this low. I don't think anything's really changed from a structural perspective. So
No,
see if we potentially get a retest opportunity.
for me to be like structurally bearish, I need to break like 630. Honestly,
But I am stubborn, so we'll see.
but that was a quick 35 points or so, guys, to the first target, and now we've almost given all of it back just like that. So that tells me that it might have just been a retest.
At hourly bars, it's gonna have to reclaim 784 for the close above that.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Where's the above 788? Then I think it's a good retest. Until then, you're still under prior 2 hour bars. So potential for bears to take this if they wanted to the 730 range, 720 mark. Um,
Yep.
so we'll see if it closes back above 790. Until then, absolutely risky to target longs at this low.
Yeah. For me to flip back along, I'd need to see like the buy pattern actually start, not try to catch the low.
Yeah, I'm being stubborn down here.
So guys, remember that 750. There we go. That 750 level needs to go for this to really print. And there we go. All right.
Okay.
Good game, guys. Good game.
Good game. GG's in the
GG's,
chat.
guys. Dubs in the chat. Let's go. That was a rough hold, though, guys. It's that's something I've been working on this year is letting the play out and seeing if we get the full move because 150 bucks is cool, but 600's a lot cooler. So like we saw that play go $350 to zero, which is not fun to do at all. But that's how you end up catching these big moves is you have to see if the play plays out. And I think leaving one micro to start is the way to start it. But I like being a little risky seeing this full size go in.
That's a banger.
So like now I want to see if we're just gonna. I want to see this run to 700 honestly, because RQ dropping an L in the chat. Come on, man. All right, 50-point bag right here, guys. Let's
This is key area one for me, and then 720 mark under it.
let's make this a free trade now, guys. And if you don't take profit and this goes back to break even, I don't want to hear it, guys.
Yeah, that's the strength candle.
Absolute banger, guys. Absolute banger. All right, let's see if we can break this. This is gonna be a key level right here. You guys can just see this off of just structure. I'll just put a line there for you. That's our next target we need to break through. It was 750, now 730, and then ultimately 700. I had an order last night, Breezy, after we got off for the 630 level we kept talking about, and man, I was so close to getting filled. That would have been such a great overnight hold. All right, let's dump this thing, guys. See if we get a 100 pointer. Okay, I'm gonna take 2 off here.
Yeah, for sure. Man, and that's where trade sees so superior. You could just trade
Oh
it.
yeah, I agree.
Let's go, Chubbs. Let's go.
There you go, Chubbs. You just max out an eval. 5, jeez, 5 minis, my man. Oh, Mike, I was gonna say. I was like, damn. All right.
Put it in 5 minis and click the button twice.
Yeah, literally. That's like a 10-second play. All right, the 730 level's holding, guys. Doesn't mean it's not gonna break. We expect some kind of reaction around here.
It's literally QQQ is low. If it snaps it to the downside, I expect a pretty big structure break.
No, Chubb's good point. This is the ORB low. It's just a very key area, guys. There's multiple things here.
It's a really good retest. I mean, if we end up bullish today, well, we are bullish because we're pulling back. If we end up with more upside, this is like a really good retest, and it's you guys know me. I'm always targeting equal lows, and I'm excited to see an equal low in the New York session.
Yeah, we haven't had one in a while.
Yeah.
No kidding. But yeah, the play is fully complete, guys. The rest is just we're gonna see if we die or not. That's all we're doing.
Man, Chubbs, you got a lot going on that chart.
Yeah, it is a lot. Man, that and this 890 failure really just kicked everything off, guys. We knew that was a bull bear level, rejected. It's the start of the fall.
Not, I mean, Chubbs, I just looked at it. It's not too much. I mean, this is literally what I trade as well. I just manually draw it. You have everything automated, looks like. Except the only thing I wouldn't like is your rules for price, like the higher high, lower highs.
All right, let's see if we get this break, guys.
She looks like she wants it. She
Yeah,
looks like
it's
that.
trying. Well, guys, I don't know how I'm supposed to follow that. That was I think he made more than he said. I think that was like 6, 7
Really
grand.
good trade.
in about an hour. That's absolutely nuts.
Good way to flip your bias.
I don't have enough buffer in this account. I would, and I couldn't.
I mean, this is a fucking banger, team. Like, to be honest, he had a long open, flipped it short, and gave it room to play out. Like, this is amazing.
Yep. This is where you move your stop loss, guys. We broke our key level. We should have run to 700. About right here, actually. So 80 points so far. I would love to see this run to 630, guys. Like, would
I don't
absolutely
know
love
if
to
you
see
guys
it.
have been to Japan, but 7-Eleven in Japan is like our Walmart. It's crazy.
It looks intense. They have like amazing sushi, amazing food there, don't they? Oh, there's 700, guys. Let's go. Let's absolutely go. We are printing at this point. This is 3 micros, $500, guys. Let's see if this 700 goes, guys. I could see a nice drop. Absolutely nice drop. What do we think, team? Can the Bears do it? They did a lot. This is I wasn't expecting that big of a move, but all targets have been smashed.
720 was my mark.
Yeah, all targets have been absolutely murdered.
The only thing saving bulls is if this is a liquidity raid
Yep.
on the low. That's it. If not, if you get confirmation continuation, you got a lot of congestion to the left. But you assume it's got some range. If it does decide to do it, like 630 range, kind of what we were looking at last night.
Yeah, I still want that. That would be a killer long area for me.
Got a couple wicks that opening low wick. It's basically 700, 693. Breaks that congestion to the downside. We expect continuation. If it does go back above like 715 and closes,
Let's freaking go. Who is diamond handing this with me? There's our 100+ point bag, guys. Boom. Phenomenal trade, guys. This is one of my best trades in a while. This week for sure. All right, here's 630. We're gonna get it. I'm gonna take profit there. Let's get it.
damn, Tiffany 511. You got it. It makes sense though when you really look at it.
Yeah, we're gonna get out of here. That was an absolute heater, guys. 130 points. Let me know if you held that with me. That was I know some of you guys were in earlier, but I'm curious if you guys held. Besides that first 30 points, that was a very easy hold. I mean, we lose 630. I mean, it can get bloody. I don't know if the Bears have it in them that much.
I mean, we just reclaimed yesterday's kind of inside of yesterday's range. It's got potential to lead. Absolutely does.
Nacho, let's go.
He full ported. He wasn't lying.
Team is printing today. Absolute. The money printer is on. I think we might need to reload the ink over here at Blue Sky. It's running low.
That was a really good flip, dude. That's one of the better trades I've seen you take. That was amazing.
Appreciate it, brother. You know what? Working with the rest of the team, you know, all the coaches is really helping me out. And when people say they don't need to learn more or they don't want to trade with people, put your ego aside You know, I message Breezy all the time about trading because he has more experience than me. Never stop learning, guys.
You don't need it. You bag that.
Yeah, but it's always nice to talk shop.
Yep.
You know, a lot of people, and at least me in my real life, I don't have anybody to talk to about this.
Yep.
It's funny. I saw somewhere. I can't remember who posted it, but it was like, uh, this random 18-year-old I met on Discord is more supportive of my journey than my friends, and it is so true. Or no, it was something like
That's insane,
it,
dude.
it was something like is what was it like this guy on Discord named Fart Cloud is more supportive than my family or something. It's hilarious.
Yeah, man, I remember that journey, and nobody believes in you in this game until you reward them from your labor.
Until they start seeing the success in front of their front eyes, nobody cares. You either get the "Can you teach me?" or the "Oh, that's cool." And I can't tell you how many of my actual friends in real life I'm like, dude, I stream all the time. Come hang out. Nobody bothers. Look at that perfect exit too, guys. Good stuff. Well, Breezy, I think it's safe to say that Blue Sky destroyed the market today.
Absolutely. I fumbled this downtrend and gave back my future gains, but I'm okay with that.
Hmm. I mean, longs, they just make sense, honestly.
I mean, yes and no. I think for me, like where I jacked up, and this thing has got some stupid momentum to the downtrend when you really kind of look at this chart. Is there was a, it's literally the most important thing I observed is like structural retest, and I'm gonna highlight this candle, this range, because it did it so perfectly. It was so obvious in the moment too. You keep your bull wins on in bullish environments, but it essentially broke and retested that golden pocket from the hour structure. That's a short 7 days of the week, and then when you really break that 816, that's where I took my loss comparable to flipping. It did the exact same thing. It broke and retested that for the continuation to the downside. So like, it was a really good structured short. But you know me, I'm stubborn. I'm gonna hold my guns until I just take my loss. So
Having
yeah,
sushi
hands
tonight?
off.
Nacho, I might.
Hands
I'll be
off on
eating.
my.
I'll be eating good tonight. I'll tell you that. I took that on a few other accounts as well.
It's amazing, dude. Y'all better be posting in P and L. All
Seriously.
I know, all I know, it's like me and Chubbs in there lighting it up. RQ's got enough gains to fill that channel.
Literally. Now
Man, they shook me out though. They shook me out at the top. There's a very defined, clear trend line break early on, and I was in it, and I definitely got shooken out.
now I really just want to see if Bulls can hold this or not, or if this is going to be the pullback that everybody's been waiting for. And realistically, guys, it's not that big of a pullback. We're still in London's range or Asia's range, I guess.
This is just something we haven't seen in
Yep.
so long. Makes
Every-
you question, like, is this a good retest or is
Mhm.
this continuation? Because you have intraday break right back to key area retest, which is a really good long area.
Mhm.
630 range, I'm all about that area.
Yeah, I mean, if you took it, that's a 30, 40 point trade already.
Yeah.
It's just very hard to me to buy into this just such bearish action. Like not even a green candle in the last 30, 40 minutes, even on the 3 minute chart. And everybody gets in the habit when we're in a bull market, just buy, 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 buy. And it works until it doesn't.
Which is fine. Like for me, this is fine. Like I took my L there, but I made so much money. In you for me, and I mentioned it earlier. You did such a good job of flipping your bias. I'm gonna target those equal lows until price says otherwise. When it says otherwise, I'm not flipping out. Like yeah, I know it's a reality if it does. So even that's known. You know what I mean? So like when you're in these bullish environments, target pullbacks. There's risk obviously that comes with that pullback. So one thing I've told Lasky at night, which it's definitely an opportunity I have, is like if you have a target area that you're interested in going long and you think there's so much probability to get there, what I do is I wait for that area comparable to shorting into that area, right? So like that's where you did a really, really good job of.
Thank you, sir.
That's basically me, Steve. I'm the biggest perma bull in our group.
Yeah, buy, buy, buy. That's been all of us for the last week or so. Literally, I think I've taken two shorts in the last 2 weeks. But yeah, look. So that's 6:30. 6:30 is zone, guys. If we can reclaim 7:30, I might have to hop into longs. I've already taken more trades than usual, but price is moving. If they give us lunchtime volatility, I will take it every time. Well, Chubbs.
My dog is wagging his tail.
Well, Chubbs, if you identify things that you don't do well at, um, just take it out of your trading plan or find out the reason why. You don't have to trade everything. Make that your next, your next learning segment of your journey. Like there's certain things I know I don't trade well, so I don't do it. I just don't do it. And for me, it's usually Monday mornings. I'm getting better at it, but I've identified that as my worst period out of everything in trading. So I don't know if it's a psychological thing where I'm getting back into the swing of things from the weekend, getting back into work mode, trading mode, because I don't do any trading on the weekend. I don't look at charts. I don't do anything. So I don't know if it's just my mind trying to acclimate back into it, or there's no news coming in on Mondays, stuff like that. Steve, yep. Who says that? I love that next thing where he says, "Has anybody ever said that to me?" No. Great movie. If you guys haven't seen that, it's an awesome movie. Yeah, exactly, vodka. All right, well, wow, that trade idea worked out absolutely perfectly. Right to 7:30.
100 points, basically.
Yeah, literally. I mean, if you took those ideas, you caught both sides of that. That's insane. So now, guys.
Opening range as well.
Yep. So this is the scenario I'm looking at now. I want to push up to about 775, come back down to 730, push to 800. But we are nice and green on the session now after that. So we're big chilling, guys. Later, Nacho. Yeah, guys. Remember lab today at 4 o'clock. Coach Matt. Not sure what he's doing today, honestly, but it's always worth watching. I'll tell you that. That guy, there's people that know a lot about day trading, but that guy knows a lot about everything. And we were talking about never learning, because he's starting to day trade more. He was asking me about my pullback trading, and that shows you that that guy has been teaching people for over 20 years, and he'll ask somebody if he doesn't know something. So check your ego aside, guys.
Bro, even for me, I have an investing strategy I'm building right now, and I had to run it by him in power hour yesterday. Like, am I, just to talk it out, like we
Mm-hmm.
talked about, and it's like, am I thinking in the right, form for what I'm looking to do?
Yep.
And he basically confirmed it in the end through the different conversations, and I was like, yeah, so everything you're essentially saying is aligning with my thought right now. So I pulled the trigger and went into a lot of tier four AI trade sectors, and 10 years from now, we'll see.
Yep. That was a good conversation. All right, guys. We
It's
reclaimed
very
that
interesting.
reclaimed the 30 area, so let's keep our eyes on some longs.
When I go into those things, man, I'm not going in with pennies.
Yeah.
I need a second opinion sometime.
Yep.
Watch us run back to the dam.
I mean I'm kind of planning on it. We we were all eyeing that 630 level. We had to come back and test it.
Yeah, I'm in. I'm in with options as well. We'll see.
What would you get in at?
That like 740.
Okay, yeah, I
Excuse
think.
me, 640, 640, 640, not
Oh, you
740.
got in it. Okay, beautiful.
Okay.
Glad somebody's in. Yeah, Chubbs. That's a great way to put it. The moment anyone feels they can't learn anymore, there's the moment they stop improving. Exactly. And you get complacent, you get cocky, and then the market's gonna hit you. It's gonna hit you hard. There's hot streaks, and there's good traders. There's traders on hot streaks, and then there's lucky traders. And you're gonna see every part of that in your journey, and you're gonna go through every part of it. Like perma bears, when we're in a bear market, they think they know everything, and then they shut up really quick when the tables turn. All right, looks like we got the bullish setup coming. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna play a little bit lighter size just after that play. There's no reason to go heavy. We're up really nicely for the day. And I did come into New York session up, I think 300 with Breezy last night. So we're just adding to it.
Yeah, I've been leaving everything we do at nighttime. I've been leaving a runner open,
Oh,
and
nice.
every morning it's like Merry Christmas.
Literally. So if you are already in longs, you're looking for 775, basically view up, and then that 800 level. And if we reclaim that, we're probably going to see highs.
You are reading my mind.
Well,
That is
Tiff,
exactly what I have trends at.
perfect. Well, Tiffany, the thing is with the runners is you put your stop loss at break even. It's a free trade. You're not going to lose money on it. You're already in profit.
I don't do that, but I just keep my stops like overnight.
Right. Okay. Yeah. You would
I
still
give
stress
it
about it.
Yeah, I give it room.
You know what I do stress about is when I hear order filled from the office from my bedroom. If you want to see somebody get up and run real fast, that's it. You want to mess with a trader, carry around a little Bluetooth speaker and play order filled at random times. You'll see them freak the hell out so fast.
That's funny.
I thought about
That's
adding.
always
I
funny
thought
to
about
me
adding
when
it.
guys
Yeah.
bring that.
Oh my god. Right. Oh man, I did not get picked up. That's a bummer. Yeah, and sometimes I'll be watching TV. I hear order filled, and I'm like, is that the good one or the bad one? Let's finish dinner and then we'll find out.
I have issues on soundboards. I have like literally 1,200 different sounds on my desktop from back in the day.
All right, what a great push after that 7:30 break. We knew it was coming. I just unfortunately did not get tapped in.
Yeah.
All right, there's major target, guys. Now we want to see if this is just a retest for downside, and it's going to create sell side models on this 30-minute chart, or if we're going to reclaim. At this point, I'm not going to bet against the bulls. This looks like a V-shaped recovery. But if you are long, just know this is a major pivot point.
Yeah. Such a good retest. We have not seen this thing.
Yeah, that was a killer retest.
And we're right back to the 9 EMA on QQQ. Get above that. And guys, I always use the ETFs as like my roadmap for whatever reason. It's my edge. And VWAP's got some room there. And then if we clear, I mean, this thing's probably going to go.
I don't doubt it.
QQQ, 9 EMA, and NQ VWAP. You're right back into that lower fib from the prior hour open, which is about 780 is your bullish continuation close. Gotta assume we get some two-legged structure to form, so maybe retest to the 737 mark for two-legged move upside. But what I really want to see is like a close above 80, and then it can consolidate up there. Yeah, Vodka. It's called risk of ruin, which I know you're probably aware of. The more size you increase, the higher probability of risk of ruin. It's like it's a part of the Monte Carlo model. It's proven through time. The more size you add, the more pain you occur in the market. For anybody who doesn't know, Monte Carlo is like a risk calculator for institutions. I had one I was working on, but then my health kind of got in the way. I still have it. I'll get it out to the team at some point.
I think I might chase this, guys. You risk with size, you get punished more often than not. I mean, yeah. Or you just change your trading style and you don't do what you're supposed to do.
I think it just makes people focus on the money.
Yeah, exactly. The money's a byproduct, guys. The chart is king. If you have a play but it needs 50 point stop loss, 100 point take profit, treat it like that. Don't treat it as a 10 point scalp. All right. I'm gonna hop in here. We'll see if it's a good move or not. This might come back to 7:30, but we'll see if we can keep the momentum going.
My dog is having the best dreams, man. He's knocked out cold and he keeps wagging his tail.
I love that. I just imagine them running through the field or on a beach or something.
Like, what is he thinking right now?
Or is eating a nice juicy steak.
Yeah, my damn dog's a dumpster. What are you doing?
I have one of those big dog beds in my office, and my dog literally just sits next to my chair the whole time I'm in here. dog's being a terror right now. Yeah, Vodka, use those wrist settings. Try to take as much of your brain out of this as you can. And then you'll get to the point where you'll just automatically not make these mistakes. But that's the final step. Yeah, Chubbs. Everybody I've guided in the past, that was a massive game changer going to micros. All right, this looks like it might run back to my original. And there's my original entry. Let's I'm gonna take a little ad. This is risky, guys. I'm playing with profits on one account. If we lose a 725, I'm gonna bail. Oh, a little pug. All right, I think I'm gonna. Yeah, let's see. Are we gonna cut this? Yeah, this looks like it's gonna be a cut. What's that 30-minute looking like now? Oof. Yep. Yeah, this might want more, guys. We might have to flip to the bear side again, guys.
Yeah, that 30 minute definitely.
Yep.
I didn't look at the 30 minute. Definitely paints a picture. It kind of sucks because like smaller time frame is kind of my pullback set that I look for. That two legged move I'm always talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Just gotta find out. Like it needs to hold above 700.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna. If we reject 730, I'm gonna go short again. 511. Tiffany. I have a key level down there, so I could definitely see it. I think I'm gonna go short, guys. We're in. That's 775, guys. That level. I think that's where we went short earlier. Right around there. Let's see if the Bears can just burn this baby to the ground. What I don't want to do is get caught in chop. After two big moves like that, this is typically where we kind of start just messing around.
The only thing is, I think you guys have an opportunity to get caught in the two-legged retest. That's the only thing. But it's larger time frame, like you just that 30 minute.
Mm.
That's a that's an interesting 30 minute close.
Yeah, that 30 minutes is concerning for Bulls. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this and just let Price figure out what it wants to do. There's been too many times I have flip flopped around a pivot point just to get chopped put back on both sides.
Me personally, I think it's a bullish retest until 700 breaks. Just given the way the price should behave, like I expected the 738 mark, 737 mark to be that retest, but it all makes sense from a price link perspective as long as it's above 700.
Yeah, I mean, I'm with you on that.
Tough. I don't like conflicted time frames, and then
No, I don't either.
uh, you're in that consolidation area.
Exactly, and I'd rather not deal with that, honestly.
Yeah. It's from 692. Could really say 690. It's like damn near 70 point chop range
Mm-hmm.
potentially, which is always unpredictable.
Yep.
used to be my go-to back in the day.
I don't think I've ever used a tick chart the whole time I've traded.
They have their time and place. I don't know. I feel like since I know how you trade because we trade similar,
Mm-hmm.
we don't need. That's the thing I always mention about futures. Like our goal and objective in the futures market is why I don't use my proprietary strategy in futures because I just don't need an abundance of data to make money. Um, so it's not needed. I think the simplistic things work really well in futures.
Yeah, I mean futures you really only need a couple setups, especially on Nasdaq as much as it moves. I have a feeling this short's gonna play out. See if there's any news out. I feel like I gotta check every once in a while. I got a Fed speaker on right now. Not that it matters too much, but
All right, man. I gotta head off. I gotta run to the bank.
yep, sounds good. Thanks for hanging out, man.
Absolutely killer stuff today, dude. You definitely knocked it out the damn park with that short. Really impressive stuff. And I don't say that lightly, so respect, brother.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
All right, Tim, be safe. I'll be around in Power Hour. Peace.
Yeah, so this is about the time where I don't want to get caught in this stuff, guys. Flip flopping, kind of the retest of opening lows. I don't like that. I think this may be consolidation for the next leg down, just looking at the longer time frames, but nothing confirmed yet. If we get an hourly close, especially below 700, bears should be good. So I will probably wait to see what happens with that candle. So if you are in a position, just expect a little bit of chop until the hourly close. while we wait for that hour to close, I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee. So I will be right back. All right, I'm back, guys. All right, looks like the bear scenario is playing out a little bit. Eric, we did catch that drop. We took a 800 short all the way down to 640. That was really fun. And guys, I just got a really nice espresso maker, and I'm officially addicted to coffee right now. This might be a problem. Better, yeah, I guess so. So we're just looking for this hourly close, guys. We want to see the Bears close. Maybe get some continuation. And we are on YouTube. If you guys feel like going and throwing us a like, definitely help us out a little bit. And then if you guys weren't in here earlier, there's a big prop firm event going on this week. I'll drop it in the chat. Go ahead and sign up if you got nothing to do on Saturday. Want to see what's going on with the prop world? We are a sponsor of it. There'll be some giveaways, things like that. Some big influencers, big players in the prop space. It's always cool to see what's going on. I will definitely be watching on Saturday. And then the coaches and myself have something very exciting for you guys next week. All right, about 4 minutes left in lunch hour, guys. Still leaning towards the Bears scenario. Let me think about it, Tiffany. Potentially. Oh wow, look at that dump. Looks like the short would have played out. Shorted 887. Oof. That was the top basically. So Tiffany, this is all I can tell you, but it's coming next week. On YouTube, why will it go up? I think we're heading to the downside. This is the chop area though, guys. After you have a big move to the downside, you try to reclaim the bull side. I'm sure it's a 50% move. Let's look. Yeah, we went up to the 50%, chopped around. So we just need to see what's going to happen, and it looks like we got that hourly close. So I'm looking for shorts, guys. Potential entry 7:15, 7:30. I'm teasing you guys. It's a secret right now. Let's see. Wait. Fox News. Chinese-owned oil tanker hit near Strait of Hormuz and first since Iran conflict began. Okay. Well, I'm curious if that's real. I'm gonna hop in some shorts, expecting some drawdown here, guys. Oh, terrible fill. Wow. I was trying to get filled at 690. Oh well. I'm gonna give this play a lot of room to breathe. Yeah, Jaja, it's hard to know what the hell's going on, honestly. Get reports from 30 different places. They all say different things. All right, we're targeting that 640 area for these shorts, guys. If this is gonna work out. Definitely taking more trades than usual during this session. That's why I hate marketing in. Sometimes you go to get in and then you market in during a 10-point dip. Oof. This chop is real, guys. Yeah, I marketed in and got a terrible 10-point red fill. 730 is the safe entry if shorts are going to pay. I'm just really worried we're going to chop around for a bit. Oh, that's a good point. Market fills on TradingView are so delayed. I'd like to see the stay under 700. market to pick a direction so we can just hop in a play and hold. That's what we need. Not too interested in taking these 10-point scalps. That was a little worrisome for a minute. We don't trust RQ with that kind of information. Come on. Come on, Tiffany. Oh, that Kip is aggressive. Forget the second part. Just watch the first part. Yeah, this is what I was afraid of, guys. We're just bouncing around. I had a strong feeling this was going to happen. And again, the safer entry for shorts is this 25 to 30 area. I basically got marketed in a demand zone, which is not ideal when you're trying to go the other direction. Five. I hope you get it as much as you've been talking about it. I have something down there, so if we lose 630, I could definitely see it. And oh, NQ's actually red on the day. I didn't realize we're sitting it flat on the day. Kind of makes sense while we're chopping. Debating an ad up here. This kind of is my degenerate account, but anxiety bomb headline. Yeah, I'm gotta keep you guys on your toes, right? It will be awesome though. That's about all I'll say. Yeah. Jaja, damn man, you got me. You got me. Steve is gonna broker the peace deal, man. You're too smart. You're too smart, man. Steve is just gonna send a bunch of gifts over there, and then the conflict is over, just like that. Well, this has been an absolute brutal hold with a terrible fill, but let's see if that was the retest we wanted to go lower. I hate being stuck in a 15-point consolidation range. Yeah, send the beverages over, but it'll calm down, right? Oh, nice. Damn, I looked away for 1 second. Let's go. No, I just wasn't talking. I was reading a message. All right, let's dump it. Dump it, dump it. We're gonna bring the hammer out for this one, guys. She's going down. I did not think today my best plays are gonna be shorts. I'll tell you that. I guess a couple good longs, but shorts have been paying more, for me at least. Well, longs last night, shorts this morning. Can the Bears finish the job is the question, guys. For the past few weeks, they have not been able to. Can they actually break market structure? All right, there's major target 658. Just candle structure right there. We break that, we run to 640 real quickly. Mm, couldn't pass that 658 level. Come on, Bears, you can do it. This one has not been a fun hold. But it all can't just be 5 5 minute bangers. that candle close to the downside. There we go. Let's break it down. Get past 650, 640, and then Tiffany, I will take you down to 511 if we break 630. Sound good? Let's take this down to the basement, guys. I'm with you, Jaja. Give us more. We need to close below 650. Honestly, we get that, we are golden. I mean, it's already 30 points, so it's a winner. All right, there's 650. All right, there's 640, guys. Let's see if we can just push through this. Currently around 40 points on the Nas in this play. The 650 level is holding on for dear life. Dear life. Guys, the 650 just we get a candle close. Oh my God, she is gonna dump. All right, 640 major PT, pretty much achieved. We're looking for this break, guys. Though. I want a knife through this level. Let's see, Jaja. Can they do it? This is it. This is it. Can they push through? Can they do it? I think they can do it. What about you guys? I think they might actually have it this time. I will be a little upset if it just bounces 40 points off this level again. But we're gonna find out. There we go. There we go. Boom. Major PT hit. Major PT hit. Got 50 points right now. Let's be greedy, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, guys. Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and take some off. Smart play to take some off. And now we want to see if it can actually burn. Stops a little bit in profit on the runners. Let's see what's going on. right, guys. Now let's see. What do we need to break through? 600, 575. Let's mark these mini PTs down. Here's our mini PTs. Hell of a play though. We smacked those shorts twice. Come on, guys. We gotta get Tiffany her 511, or else this none of this matters. Very happy with that play. I wish I would have gotten the 690 something fill, but you know, at this point it doesn't matter. So, guys, this is where you take your cash, or you just let it go with me. It's up to you. Up to you. This is what I was afraid of, though. This sweep then bounce. So we'll see what happens. We couldn't. That candle just did not want to close under this range. But we're in it for the long haul now. If this gets stopped out, it'll be a little upsetting. Not gonna lie. Oh man, we're gonna do it. Oh man, this is gonna tap me out. Look at that. Wow. Bummer. That's so annoying. So that short and long idea, same thing. This is our range right now, guys. 730 to 630, 100 point range that we're playing right now. They did not finish. I mean, they finished the first part. Gotta give them that. It's because I didn't move the hammer down, honestly, guys. If I put the hammer down at 630, it would have broke. I let y'all down. I'm sorry. This has been a pretty exciting session, honestly. A lot more exciting the last week or two. Yeah, Eric. I wish those shorts would have broke. I mean, secured 53 points, but I would have liked 150. Got another 5K to make today. Shoot. Yeah, we actually. I agree, Gabber. There were actually opportunities for entry. 100% agree. I want to tally up how many points Blue Sky has done today between Breezy, myself, and Mike this morning. It's got to be close to 500, which is absolutely insane when you think about it. Yeah, I got stopped in profit. It's gonna freaking go now too. What a pullback right to 700. Oh my god. Oh, that hurts, guys. To the heart. Dagger to the heart. There's no way I was gonna let that play go red, guys. That would have been nuts. Right to TP. You see that? You see the next TP? To the tick. You see that, guys? That 596? Literally right to the tick. Nuts how this works. It still amazes me sometimes. All you gotta do is look left. The market tells you where it's gonna go to. Steve, how you gonna do my man Hulk like that? Look at her freaking go. Oh my god. Ooh, they just wiped almost everybody out of shorts on that blow pump, I bet. Oh, classic. Classic. All right, here you go, Tiffany. Ride the sucker down. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Kuwait reversed decision to block U.S. military access to their bases. Huh? Who would have thought? Hey guys, we need help actually. I'm gonna take a small short. Ideally 620 is the short, but I just want to see if this can ride down. So we want to look for 573 or 575 break. Let's just call it. Ride it down to 540 and ultimately down to near the 500 level. 480 is my like holy crap target if we're gonna get it. But recently my holy crap targets have been hitting, so it would not surprise me. Oof. Gonna get some volatility in here, guys. If that was just a news wick to just create liquidity down here, that'd be not very nice. All right, there's that 620, guys. We reclaim 620. I think I'm gonna go long. My man bottom ticking that stuff. Good entry, good stuff. Here's major resistance, by the way, Eric. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this. It's worth a shot. Look at that wick. Woof. Let's see if the Bulls can reclaim. This is crazy. You know, I've been complaining about the lunch sessions being boring, and this one was not. I'll tell you that. Wicks everywhere. mean, at this point, I think the Bears take it. I probably shouldn't have cut that, but we'll see. I mean, this 480. That's my like. I hope we get their target for Bears. I can see it happening at this rate. I mean, NQ's flipped red. Gold is almost flipped red. The ES is red. What's weird is Nvidia's up 2%, Tesla's up 2%. I need to add a couple more tickets to the watch list. Microsoft's pretty green. It's interesting. This is a slightly bullish setup on the 1 minute. I'm curious if we push out or not. All right, about half an hour left in this hour. I'm interested to see what they're gonna do now. Oh, red folders. Oh, they no, that's the one here they posted. Yeah, there's that push off the bullish 1 minute setup. Kind of itching to hopping along. I feel like that news reaction is gonna get wiped out, but I'm gonna wait for some confirmation. You dare me? I might have to, man. I might have to. Let me just take a shot of this espresso, get all jacked up, and then mark it in. Take your 300 to lock out. Good job, Aka. Good job. It looks like Bulls want it. This is just it's dancing around this area. Yeah, I know. Just trying to keep this fun. If no agreement is reached with Tehran before Trump's return from China trip, the military option will be back on the table. Hmm. Should be bearish news, right? You would think. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. What are we doing? At this point, I want to see the Bears take it. I want to see us just dump to like what you mentioned, down to yesterday's levels. But the way it's dancing on this key level is just a little concerning for me. Oh, Bulls are back in town, guys. The Bulls are back in town. I have a feeling it's gonna recover too, man. I do. See if I can get filled on some longs around 640. This might be my last play of the hour. We'll see. Taking quite a few trades this session. Oof. So up and down vodka, huh? Oof. Yeah. Do you have anything in your rule book about taking a break after every trade, like a little reset? It helps me a lot. Yeah, losses are part of the game, man. It's you just got to deal with it. You know, don't let it ruin your account. Just one loss, and sometimes walk away. You know, every trader's a little bit different. This I don't think I'm gonna get picked up on this. This was a good setup. See what happens at 700. All right, let's see if we get this tap. Maybe 650 if you want a better chance of getting a fill. Okay, we are in, guys. Quick $50. Man, sometimes some of these times I just want to take $50 like over and over and over. Like Mr. Blasky over there trading. There he is. All right, we're up $100, team. Let's just take it. I don't want to mess around right now. $130 on that. 1 minute, $130. Boom, boom. So I mean, just to recap, quite a few trades taken today by the team. A lot of setups presented themselves. I lied about locking up, bro. Come on, man. Yeah, I mean, I'm telling you, there's a reason I do it. It's because you're gonna get a reaction off of it. Are you gonna get follow through? I don't know, but you're gonna get 10 points usually. Ah, true. Okay. Got about 15 minutes left in the hour team. And just a reminder, Power Hour at 3 with Coach Matt. I think Breezy said he was going to pop in too. Then Matt's Trading Lab. Not too sure what he is teaching, but you guys know it's always a good one. Made enough time to be productive. Have a good one, Eric. Catch you later. All right. What are the longer time frames telling us, guys? Ooh, 15-minute consolidating over our key level tells me to stick away. We got conflicting data on the time frames, guys. I want to see how if this 4 hour closes near 600, I'd be insanely surprised if we don't get another leg down. Eyes on this 500 to 520 level though, if we do. And if you are watching out there on YouTube, thanks for joining us. I think most of the moves have been made for the market, anyways, Tiffany. This last 45 minutes has been very, very choppy. I can almost guarantee you there's a lot of people getting chopped up in this range, flip flopping back and forth. What's up, Patrizzi? Yeah, it's snooze time right now. You missed some bangers earlier, Patrizzi. Oh, good stuff. Nice. Yeah, there was some good movement last night. I had an order at 6:31, I want to say, last night that got so close to getting tapped in. It would have been killer. Do have a trend line going. Trying to respect it. Very nice. I love making money in the night session and then not worrying about the New York session too much. All right, about 5 minutes left in the hour. We are in Chop City right now. This thing is just flip flopping over this key level. See you, Patrizzi. Ooh, look at that. Look at that candle. Damn. What is that? I don't want to mess with that. I don't want to mess with any part of this, honestly. This 675 to 620. I'm way behind you guys on that range. I think I'm like 60. Breezy flew over me. Wow, Bulls came in hot. They did not want this hourly and 4 hour to close under this key level. Yeah, this I honestly would avoid the 600 to 730 range. This whole this whole range right here, I probably wouldn't touch it. Call this the NTZ or the no touch zone. That's what I'm calling it. Cause there's not much going on in here. There's no real structure. It's pretty choppy. I mean, that was a crazy hold right there. See how this hourly candle closes? It closed. Oh my god, look at that pin doji. That's crazy. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna be it for me. I'm gonna go eat some lunch. I am absolutely starving. Gonna have a little break from them streamers, and then Power Hour will start, and then Coach Matt will have his technical lab right after market close. So everybody, I hope you had a good day. PNL section, guys, light it up if you made some money. I will catch you. I'll be on for the open tomorrow because Mike does not do open on Fridays. See y'all later.
Creating success isn't just about strategy, it's about psychology. Join me, Coach Becky, every Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern for our live trading psychology lab here at Blue Sky, where we work on discipline, confidence, emotional control, and the mindset needed for consistent execution. See you there. If you've ever struggled with revenge trading, hesitation, overtrading, or emotional decision making, our trading psychology lab If you've ever struggled with revenge trading, hesitation, overtrading, or emotional decision making, our trading psychology lab here at Blue Sky is built for you. Join me, Coach Becky, every Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, right here at Blue Sky live, so that we can talk through these matters together and grow to our strongest trading selves.
month was free. The renewal is at 41.30 because I gave it 30% off.
Uh huh.
I'm in the system. The account it gave me shows up as a regular subscription.
Oh, it's showing up now.
Everything's working. Yep.
And then you can cancel it, right?
Give me a sec. Give me that second. Here. Yeah.
Oh,
Uh, everything working as intended.
that's good. Let's see.
What are we talking about? I just popped in.
Giveaway accounts. Remember, you got a giveaway or like a free trial account, and then it just didn't show up.
Oh yeah, let me check my dashboard. I hope I didn't get charged for it. Actually, that would
Yeah,
be.
no, they're showing up there. It's working now, so it should be in your subscriptions.
Let's see. Um, was that around April 20th, maybe? Probably.
28th, or yeah, I mean it wasn't.
I have one that's sent to renew May 20th.
Maybe it's that one.
So it might be that it's a launch. Yeah, that would, yeah, because I wouldn't give myself a launch to stream with.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's got to be it. So they have to cancel it or else they will get billed.
Seems like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got to make sure we put that on disclaimers for giveaways so people can complain.
Right.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel that.
No, this is good. This is. I don't know when that got fixed, but
Is it still where they have to go through both systems to do it?
What do you mean both systems?
Well, like they have to go through fan bases. They can't just type it in the dashboard or the checkout.
Oh yeah, they have to go put their information in Fanbase.
Right. Okay.
But that it flat out tells you it's charging you $0,
Uh huh.
and it's taking the credit card for the renewal.
And we can just generate a code for that, and they just type it
Yeah.
in. Oh.
Yeah, that's all I did was create a code. But
Okay.
if you look at how I created the code, it'll give you insight as to what you need to put in there so you know what it's gonna renew at.
Mm-hmm. Take a
So
look
like
right
for
now.
instance, mine was first month free with 30% total. So I didn't pay nothing now. Next month I would have had 30% off.
Is that the rich test one?
Yeah,
Okay.
because Mukaram originally said it wasn't working. You would pay a full price going forward. That looks like it's working fine. It shows up as active. You can cancel it.
Oh, I see. I see that is free trial discount. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. What would be awesome is if we could auto generate unique coupons like this with the
Hey,
click of a button.
hey, now you're pushing it.
I know. I'm just saying. Would be nice. No, this is great though.
They're, to be honest with you, and I don't know how to do it. There might be a way to import them.
Or is there? We don't have a way to make a batch of the same
We do.
coupons.
We do.
Import, export, yeah.
It's on the top right.
Oh, okay, that's awesome then.
So export what's in there now, and then you got the template idea. Now
Oh,
it should show you.
oh, this is cool.
Well, to start, but it's far better than what we had.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
And they even made the button red so that they would know that it's a bad button.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because the only other thing that's being fixed is the timing on the canceling of the subscription.
Oh, this
Meaning,
is
they'll cancel it at the end of the 30 days, won't renew. That.
this is new too. The little free trial badge.
Oh, I didn't even notice that one.
Yeah,
That's
that's
cool.
good.
Yeah. Well, moving in the right direction. That's good.
Yeah.
It actually works.
You're
That's
gonna
good.
freak out because it says it's a free trial.
Right. Well, it is a free trial.
It's 1 month, 1 month free.
Evaluation is the trial.
Wait, but the orbit doesn't renew, so that's technically free, right?
Well, I mean, it renews right now.
Oh, right. Yeah, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, the new one
We're
will
not
not renew.
There's not free orbits, are there?
No, I'm just looking at
Yeah,
the picture he posted.
See, and then on top of it, right? I tried the code again just now, and I realized that I used it the first time, so it gave me the 30% instead.
Oh, that's great. Nice.
Now, why does it say free trial when it's $41?
Because it had a free trial, meaning I used it once for a free trial already.
Um,
But now it's showing free trial.
Now it's giving me the 30%, right?
But shouldn't it not show free trial? Then?
Yeah, technically that badge should disappear on this,
That's not.
but
Yeah.
whatever.
It's not pushing it.
Yeah, exactly. Baby steps, right?
I mean, let's make a list of these things because eventually, like, we want all of these things fixed. Even if it's not a priority, it should be
yeah, well,
in the pipeline.
so here's my concern with it showing free trial when it has a total below. They can dispute it because it was supposed to be free.
Yeah.
Well,